Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. My name is Nikki. Hope you're all doing well today. Just checking you can see. Okay, so we're revisiting these two colours again, and this one is, you haven't seen me do use agapanthus yet. So Zeus, which is that gorgeous deep luscious gold, really rich gold, and brulee, which is interference copper. If I just wipe it, you can see it on the stir stick. Can you see that? Really lovely. And this one is agapanthus, named after a flower that I think it's all over Australia. I'm not really sure, but definitely in Queensland. We used to have some of these when we moved in this house where we live now, but my lovely husband thought they were weeds and pulled them all up. It's a gorgeous silvery lilac. And this is the colour of the flowers on them. Isn't that gorgeous? So those three, and then I'm adding Golden's Permanent Violet Dark and Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. I did contemplate just using the purples, but I think it needs a bit of a contrast colour as well. And I'm only using white cell activator today. I'll show you. It's still my mixture of 50-50, so equal parts of Amsterdam titanium white and half of Atelier titanium white. No reason, I just wondered what would happen if we mixed equal parts together. So that's just mixed with Australian Floetrol, nothing else, no silicone, nothing, just paint and an Australian Floetrol. I don't measure ratios. If I had to guess, I would say 2 to 2.5 parts of Australian Floetrol to 1 part of paint. I like it quite thick. And I'm working on a 14-inch wood round, nice curved edges. I will put where I get these from in the description box below. It's a lady who makes these in Queensland, and they're finished really nicely and ready to use. So I will put the details in my description box for that, and that's 14 inches. So yeah, let's get messy.
We've got something to say and hurt your eyes now. Here in the moonlight, don't wait for the sun, don't wait for the sun. Baby, don't leave me, just dance and believe in it. Get on up, baby, you'll get it. Get on up, baby, you'll get it. Get on up, baby, come on, let's get it on. Let me show you how. Assume I'm right. Sometimes just let it, sometimes just let it. Don't wait for the sun, don't wait for the sun. Baby, don't leave me, just dance and believe in it. Get on up, baby, you'll get it. Get on up, baby, you'll get it. Get on up, baby, come on, let's get it on. Let me show you how. Get on up, baby, you'll get it. Get on up, baby, you'll get it. Get on up, baby, come on, let's get it on. Let me show you how.
I didn't record the embellishing part as I was actually doing it in the kitchen at the same time as I was cooking. So yeah, I hadn't got my tripod and my camera ready to do it. But yeah, have a go at embellishing your paws. Sometimes when you're when you're midway, you can visualize what you can do for a certain part of the negative space. Or sometimes you can deliberately pour something that you can embellish later on. But yeah, have a go and just practice on pours that you don't like first until you get the hang of it. So if you like it, please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please share. And yeah, thank you all so much for being here. I appreciate you all. Thanks so very much. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.